Now in the parable, the king calls all those who owe money to him, who have taken as a loan. And one fellow was brought, he owed 10,000 talents. Now to understand, talent is like money. 1 talent is equal to, in those days, wages of a laborer for 20 years. 20 years. So 10,000 means, in our today's calculation, let us presume the daily wage now is rupees 800 for a common laborer. 800 multiplied by 365 days, multiplied by 20 years, multiplied by 10,000, it will come approximately 5,510 crores. Huge amount, huge amount. Because he fell at his feet, the king cancelled the debt. Cancelled the debt. But the same servant went out and he caught hold of his fellow servant. And that fellow servant owed him 100 denarii. Now 1 denarius in those days means 1 day's wages. Say 800 rupees per day. We calculate 100 denarii will come 80,000. Just imagine 5,510 crores were cancelled. And this man was not ready to give him some time to pay the debt of 80,000. He put him in the prison till he pays the last penny. So when the king came to know him, he punished him. And then Jesus says, same thing my heavenly Father will do to you if you do not forgive your brother. It includes also sister.